Friends, live from Oak Tree Road. What a great opportunity for the community, where Rajuls and Renson Media is presenting pre-Karwa Chauth party, and such an amazing opportunity for all of you to come here and enjoy.
Being on Oak Tree Road, presenting something on Oak Tree Road, where I started my journey from, promoting these businesses. I think I have promoted each and every business here starting from 1999. So I feel it's very close to my heart, and I'm feeling really, really proud that I'm here on Oak Tree Road, presenting this festival contest, which is supported by Rajuls. And I cannot thank enough to Rajuls for supporting it and bringing my dream to reality.
I want to thank Rajuls for bringing events like this to bring forth our culture, tradition, and especially around the time of Navratri and Diwali, this is an ideal thing to do. And thank you to Renaissance Media and to Tanvi for having me as one of the judges here. I'm looking forward to it, to meeting everybody, and to really seeing this event come to fruit.
Thank you so much for having me be a part of today's celebration. Always a pleasure to be here in New Jersey doing events and coming out and performing and singing and just celebrating.
Today we are launching actually the title, which is Rajuls Bridal Model of the Year 2025. So that's something new we are doing, and that's only possible with the help and the support of Janak Bedi and Rashmi Bedi, My Dream TV USA, and I thank them a lot.
Management is not a one-man show. We have a team everywhere, so we can't do anything alone. So our company is not our company is we. और उनके साथ मिलके हम लोग जो है इसको कर सकते हैं.
And also a special day because we'll be launching Oak Tree, hashtag Oak Tree Stories. So it's right from Oak Tree Road, and Oak Tree Stories will be there. So I think it's a very proud moment.
हम बार हमेशा ऊपर ही सेट करते हैं, तो दिस ऑलवेज गोइंग टू गेट बेटर. सो इस बार भी हमने कुछ नया किया है, कुछ नए कॉन्टेस्ट हैं, कुछ नए कोलैबोरेशंस हैं. तो आई थिंक मैं सबसे कहूँगी कि you just have to watch out for what's coming up.
So I thank everyone on behalf of Rajuls to come here and celebrate Indian festivities with us, and we all invite you to come to Oak Tree Road and support every Indian business here.
आप सबकी प्रेजेंस इस बात की गवाह है कि आप अपने ट्रेडिशन से बेहद मोहब्बत करते हैं और आप इस कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट कर जीतने का पूरा जज्बा भी रखते हैं. तो चलिए, लेट्स सेलिब्रेट आवर ट्रेडिशन, लव एंड टुगेदरनेस. टू ऑल द कंटेस्टेंट्स, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड कीप शाइनिंग ऑलवेज. थैंक यू.
Rajuls Bridal Model of the Year 2025, Pallavi Banerjee.